Hello YouTubers, here we go again. Well, I've fixed it part of the way now. I'll show you. Now it opens up a lot further. It's still hitting the frame that I made for it, but it's just temporary frame. But it folds up a lot further. And oops, I messed up the gears on the little motor because the last time I was working it, it hit the frame, hit the base of the motor, and it messed up the gears. So I'm gonna have to do something with that. I can buy some new inserts for the gears. I'm trying to find some that are steel, but I was wondering if any of you could figure out what I did to change it to make it work better. You see it? It's right here. I just flipped this around, so now the angle part's here and the straight part's on the gear, and it works better. And it goes up a lot higher. Oh, I gotta figure out, I gotta put a spring on there, I think, so that it allows it to fall back down. Yeah, I just got to put a spring somewhere on this part right here to push this part down, or somewhere on this somehow to give it force back down. But let me know what you think. See you.